Hello Nev's fam, this is Nev from Nev's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to do a makeup look on my niece. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let's start with primer, and I'm using Smashbox Primerizer and just applying all over her face using a brush. For foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, and this was the closest match I had for her. It was nice and dewy, and she has kind of normal skin, so it did give a little shine. I would really appreciate if you can subscribe my channel, hit that notification bell for future videos. For concealer, I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and the shade is medium. So medium is a little lighter than her color. So just applying under her eyes and using as a eyeshadow base. That's it. I didn't use any other area. So yeah, just below the eyes and as an eyeshadow base. So now I'm going to use Becca translucent powder, and I used very less, just with the light hand, and dabbed the excess all over her face. So now I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and this color is Rumor. I'm using this color as a transition color. So now I'm using Too Faced Pretty Rich palette, and the color is, I'm just gonna show you in a second. Yeah, this is the color, and the name of the color is Oh That's Rich. I'm going to use this color as corner, just for the corner, and little bit on her crease, just to darken it up and give the little bit of depth to her eyes. And I just applied the color, and then I just blended everything together. So yeah, this is, I'm just giving her little line, and the next this white brush, I'm just blending it. So now I'm using this Milani palette, which is Gilded Rouge, and the color is Avec Moi. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. And this is the color, and I'm just applying it with fingers. And this is for the main lid color. And these kind of shiny eyeshadow colors, they apply really well with fingers. So don't hesitate to use fingers. Fingers do awesome job. So this is how it's looking on the lid, and I will give like couple of coatings. So now I'm using this Biography eyebrow pencil. First I'm going to just brush her eyebrows and apply the color very lightly, because she has black eyebrows, and I just fill the gaps, nothing much. And for the eyeliner, I'm going to use Soap and Glory Super Cat liquid eyeliner, and I did not do any wing, just a simple one. And there she was laughing, so I had to be really careful applying this liquid eyeliner. And for the lashes, I'm applying Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is her favorite mascara, and she really loves applying mascara. In fact, she double coated. She took the brush from me and applied on her own because she thought I did not put enough. And for the blush, I'm using Urban Decay blush, and the color is Rapture. So yeah, lightly applying on her cheeks. And for the highlighter, using this MAC highlighter, soft and gentle mineralized highlighter. So applying this highlighter on the high cheekbone and tip of the nose, and a little bit on the cheek, and a little bit on the forehead. So I'm using this MAC highlighter double gleam, and I'm going to use this under her eyebrows and on her inner corner eyes, because this particular highlighter was giving more brightening effect, and the other one was more close to the skin tone, so wasn't giving enough, so I used this one. For the lipstick, we are using Morphe lipstick liquid. The color is Fatty, and she likes to apply it on her own, so she's doing it. And the color is really nude, because we did nice bright eyes, so we thought of doing nude lips. So we are finishing this makeup by applying Cover FX illuminating setting spray, and yes, all over our face lightly. So I hope you like this makeup look. If you did, please comment below and let me know, and also let me know what would you like to see in future. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like and share this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.